Do you have this activate Windows watermark on your desktop? That means your version of Windows isn't genuine. But did you know there's a way to remove this watermark? Stay with me to the end to know how to remove this watermark. Click on Start and type Run and press Enter. Or you can press Windows R. Type in REGEDIV and press Enter. Okay, so here we click on H key local machine. You move down to select System. Click on Current Control Set to expand and select Servicing. Here, you scroll down till you find SVSVC, then click on it. Be sure you have exactly this on the bar. Right-click on Start and select Modify. Now on the version data, we have in 3. I've cleared it and type in 4 and press Enter or click OK. That is all, guys. Now what you have to do is restart our PC and the watermark